Yeah. Please.
Guys, today we're going to build another plant shell. So we got wood right there. Also here on top of my head, but it's a little funky wonky.
Hi guys.
Hi. This is Callie Boo Boo. And here she is again. Yay! Catch her. Say hi. Say hi, Boo Boo.
So today we're going to make.
So today we're going to show you how we made that plant stand. So right here.
Yes, right here.
Yeah, right here. Okay.
Okay. So
So
let's
Callie,
go.
So let's go. But Callie was just trying to lock us out here. So
So the first thing that we
doing
need.
it again.
Oops.
So
Careful.
first
So the
thing-
first thing we need to do is to
Yeah.
measure the woods right here.
Yeah, and I'm going to use some woods, you guys. Recycled woods right here.
Right here. Show Kali. Show Mimi.
Look,
Right here.
right here.
Not the plants. Let's get started
let's
and
start.
measure it.
Measure. Yay.
And we're done measuring the woods. Now we're gonna go and cut this wood.
Guys, now we're going to cut the wood. See, my dad's over there, and I'm going to go back in home because it's quite hot here and it's going to be noisy. Okay, bye.
Now it's time to assemble the stand. We have some screws here and the glue. Now let's begin. Run style.